cheese. Royals. Rain. It's supposed to rain up until 2. The game starts at 1, so let's see. Let's see what's up. That's pretty cool. Built home free bobblehead. It's free? Oh, let's go check it out. Today was a giveaway day. It's a little pin. That's pretty cool. Of course, I'm gonna sell it. So everybody has these. Everybody's wearing blue. Let's see what they got. I actually haven't. I always used to like Google to see what their like fan favorite food is. But let's just walk around. It's raining anyway. You got your pizza, your pretzels, chicken tenders, dive bar over here, made ice cream. Making a different bowl and that helmet. Looking for the, you know, the socks with the palm. I've never seen this before. DC Kitchen. Oh, they got more stuff inside. This side of the stadium, we got the, you know, the shops. So I just actually before the game, I had Andy's frozen custard. Like soft serve, but they scoop it. Pizza, nachos, KCQ, cheesesteaks. Of course, we know Chickies. New. I've never seen that before. Oh, there they got hot dogs, pretzels, and that's about it. Game, it's 1 o'clock already, but the game's supposed to start at 1:10, but it's still kind of sprinkling. We'll see if it gets rain delayed. It should clear up. Earlier it said 2 p.m. rain, but that was it. The jumbo. It's a little longer than a full on. Anyway, it stopped raining, so hopefully we get this tarp out of the way and play ball. It's 10 bucks. I forgot what the beer, how much it was. Dugout Concord. That's all it is. Women's restroom, men's restroom. Ketchup is gonna take it.